Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not sent in on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here in this page we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next.